from the traitors' dying bells.
I heard it! I heard it where the fishers strike their sails!
I heard it from the huskers in the trees.
I heard it from the divers of the seas.
And I heard it with the pounders in the leaves!
All the people raised their cry, fearing not to bleed or die. All the tools of slave and sire brought the voice of Rekisar, Rekisar, Rekisar!
Rita!
Up the mountain, down the plain, louder, louder, round the string. Freedom! 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 In our place or land, all the people are at war. Open your eyes and see, is this really being free? In our place or land, all the people are at war. Open your eyes and see, is this really being free?
I heard it. I heard it from the makers of the rules. I heard it from the weavers at their looms. I heard it from the smoky smithy rooms.
And we heard it from the farthest island shore. And we heard it.
You heard it?
Yes, we heard it. And shall hear it evermore.
Freedom!
The cry awoke Malita, and the echoes answered back. Freedom! 1896 by Aurelio S. Alvero.
Dumbele!